This is the R.W.FLAME, the Amazon Basics electric fireplace. We wanted to just show you some of the features that it has. It comes with a remote, so it has 12 different colors of flames. So as you can see, the flames are changing colors. I'll just flip through them really quickly. Really nice different colors. You can also change the color of the rocks, the crystals. So there are also 12 different settings of crystals. There's also a speed, so you can change the speed of the flame. That's level 2. This is level 5. It looks more realistic. Down to level 1, which is very slow. And finally, it has a dimmer, which allows you to change. Well, let me change this to fast speed. And now the dimmer changes how bright the fire is. So as you can see, it's very low there. That's level 1, level 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very bright. The heater is one other thing that you should be aware of. There are 2 settings, 750 watts and 1500 watts. I'll turn it on now so you can listen. Okay, so the entire unit itself is 36 inches, but the viewing area is 26 inches by 8.5 inches tall. This unit weighs about 36 pounds. It's a little bit heavier than you would expect for a fireplace. The crystals down here are replaceable. You can remove this door, this glass door, and clean it from the inside and the outside and replace the crystals if you wish. One of the best things about this fireplace is its thickness. As you can see, it's about 3¼ inches. We measured it. It's actually 3.85 inches thick, which is one of their newest models. So it's very thin. This unit comes, I don't know if you can see it, with a mounting bracket on the back. It's pre-installed, so you can hang it on the wall itself, or you can build a recess in the wall and insert it into the wall. But either way, we like this unit. Right now we're deciding if we want to mount it on the wall or mount it in the wall. But we wanted to just show you guys the features. Thanks for watching.